Welcome to the world of computing, where every component plays an important role in defining the overall performance of a computer. Today, we'll be talking about the top 5 PC RAMs in the market, which will help you to make an informed decision when it comes to upgrading or building your computer. Before we dive into the list, let's take a quick look at what RAM is and how it affects the performance of your computer. RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory, is a type of computer memory that temporarily stores data that is being used by the processor. The more RAM you have, the more data the processor can access at a time, leading to faster performance. Starting off the list at number 5, we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX Dominican Pesos. Is a type of computer memory that is designed for high-performance applications. It is manufactured by Corsair, a leading computer components company known for its quality and reliability. The Vengeance LPX 4 decibels RAM comes in capacities ranging from 8 GB to 64 GB and operates at speeds of up to 3,600 MHz. This makes it an ideal option for users who are looking for RAM upgrade that will improve the performance of their computer without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the G.Skill Ripjaws V 4 decibels. This RAM is a high-performance memory module designed for computer enthusiasts and gamers. It is a 4 decibels RAM, which is the latest and fastest generation of RAM available in the market. The G.Skill Ripjaws V 4 decibels RAM is available in capacities ranging from 8 GB to 128 GB and operates at speeds of up to 4,400 MHz, making it one of the fastest 4 decibels RAMs available. At number 3, we have the Kingston HyperX Fury 4 Dominican Pesos. This RAM is a popular option for those looking for a balance between performance and affordability. It is available in capacities ranging from 8 GB to 64 GB and operates at speeds of up to 3,733 MHz. One of the key features of the HyperX Fury 4 Dominican Pesos is its compatibility with a wide range of motherboards and processors, making it a versatile choice for any computer build. At number 2, we have the Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB 4 decibels. This RAM is a top-of-the-line RAM option for those who want both high performance and style. It's available in capacities ranging from 8 GB to 64 GB and operates at speeds of up to 4,600 MHz. One of its standout features is the RGB lighting, which allows you to add a unique touch to your computer and show off your hardware. The lighting can be controlled and customized using Corsair's IQ software, making it easy to match your system's lighting scheme. And finally, at the top of the list at number 1, we have the Adata XPG Z1 4 decibels. This RAM is a high-performance memory solution designed for gamers and performance enthusiasts. It is one of the top RAMs in the market and offers some of the best performance capabilities. The Adata XPG Z1 DDR RAM is available in capacities ranging from 8 GB to 64 GB and operates at speeds of up to 4,133 MHz, making it one of the fastest 4 decibels RAMs available. The high speeds allow for quicker access to data, which translates to improved performance and faster load times for demanding applications and games. And that's it, folks. These are the top 5 PC RAMs in the market right now. Whether you're building a new computer or upgrading an existing one, these RAMs are sure to provide you with the performance you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.